Yo, what is up, you guys? Thanks for tuning in. Hope you guys are having an awesome day. If you guys saw my last video, I installed Truck2go's tonneau cover. Loving it so far. This thing is awesome. Looks badass. It's tough. Looks super sweet. Super easy to clean. I'm gonna go ahead and make a review video once I have this next part installed, which is actually their Overland rack. Cool thing about having the tonneau cover with their proprietary rack, it has these rails right here. So from what it looks like is that's gonna go ahead and slip onto these rails right here. That way you have your molly panels, hopefully rooftop tent later down the line. But stay tuned and I'll show you guys how to install this thing. It looks fairly easy. So if you guys saw the tonneau cover, I mentioned how well it was packaged, and again, this is also very well packaged. Everything is in separate boxes with foam. Your nuts and bolts, everything is there, and your instruction. It looks fairly easy. From what it looks like is this is what it's gonna look like. 6 legs, 4 panels, and then 3 horizontal bars. Probably take me a little bit longer just because I want to record it and show you guys how to do it, but let's get this to it. And also what's making the job harder is that I have Baxter here thinking I'm gonna throw the ball every time he brings it. Fine, here you go, dude. And here comes Gracie. There he goes. All day. All day. He does not get tired. And she doesn't get tired of barking. Alright, so after taking a gander at these instructions, pack number 2 that's labeled on this is going to be what's used on the supporting legs. So there should be 2 per leg, and there is 6 legs total. Pack number 1 is what's going to hold the side panels onto the supporting legs. And then pack number 3 is the longest one. So the longest one is what's going to go on to the crossbars. So that's literally all the nuts and bolts that come with it. 3 little packs. It comes with the Allen key here, which I saw. And then we'll double check what size this is for these bolts right here. So if you are going to be rocking the Truck2go cover, this is their Roll-Up Pro. Make sure obviously you're going to take off the gasket that was previously installed. This can either just be pulled out, I think you pull it up at least one side and just pull it towards your side like this. Okay, there we go. So we got 6 of these bolts per side. Alright, there we go, got everything counted for. So we're gonna put the washers on top of the actual stand. So I'm gonna go ahead and space this out a little bit more. Just like so. It's kinda hard to do with one hand. Bam, there we go. Alright, quick tip before installing your supports first. So you can just leave them how it is here without even tightening them up, because you are going to have to put the side panels, and these are already at a fixed location. So once you do that, you have your L wrench here, and then your ratchet with your half right there on that side. Makes it a little bit easier. I don't know what I was thinking, just putting the supports first. But yeah, I'm going to finish this side and show you guys how it looks. Here's a little top view. It's pretty cool having the little tonneau cover because it kind of acts like a little bench to hold your tools together. So I got both sides bolted up with all the stands and side plates. Now I noticed that there's a whole bunch of extra washers, so my fault was not putting the washers on the inside. I did put it on the outside with the bolts, but not the nuts, so Just gotta loosen what 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them to put that extra washer in there to make it nice and sturdy, but fairly easy. Actually, really easy. It's literally just your Allen key and your half. Looks really solid. It's right at the height of the roof. So if you guys are looking for something flush to your roof, this is it. Now I might exchange this or see if I can opt in for the shorter one. The other one that they have goes up about here, which is 6 inches. You still have a little bit smaller molly panels. So if it sits right here, maybe your rooftop tent will probably finish up to like right here. That way it's right at your roof. See, that's gonna be a little bit better. But let's see how this one goes. This one looks really good. I love how all the hardware facing out is all black, so it's a nice black finish. Looks pretty dope. Really sick. It's super customizable. I mean, you have your T slots right here for your rooftop tent or anything else you want to go ahead and put up top. I was thinking of running a spare on top. I don't know if it's too high up, but I'm gonna see how that looks. All right, so next up, so you could put the braces on top. You're gonna have this long bolts that you're gonna go ahead and put on the bottom one, like so. Feed it all the way, and then you're gonna have these little finishing nuts with like a cap. There you go, like a little cap. It's gonna go right there. These bars are gonna sit on top right here, and they're gonna use these 3 with the T bolts that are right there. So I'm gonna finish putting these up, and I'll show you guys. Let me show you guys. So I tightened this up just because it is pretty open, right? So it kind of flexes. So you can go ahead and tighten this up. That way it's a little bit tighter to put this in. Nothing crazy. It isn't like crazy tight in there. But what I'm having a issue with is these small little sliding nuts, right? So you have to, let me focus in. You have to slide them in perfect position for them to fall into the hole, and then slide your nut in. Not only 3 on this side, but you also have to do it 3 on this other side. So you got to slide them perfectly where they belong on all sides. So it's kind of difficult. It's kind of getting to me right now. So if you guys got any better ideas, let me know. Comment down below, or comment down below what rack you guys have. If this was too much work, I want to see what you guys are running. Oh damn, just dropped my tape measure. Let me know what you guys are running, but so far this is a really easy rack to install. Super solid, looks really good paired up with the tonneau cover. Looks really solid. We got the sun setting. This is the next day. It got pretty cold after I finished installing it. I decided to show you guys the day after. But there it is. That looks pretty rad. There you go. Shout out Truck2go once again. Thank you guys for sponsoring the truck. Combination with their tonneau cover, which is freaking sick. This is the Pro tonneau cover. I believe there's only 2 or 3 models that come with the rail, so make sure to look for the one that comes with the rails if you're planning on doing the racks for these things. This thing looks super sick. Let me step back a little bit so you guys can see how this looks. Bam! It's actually using this yesterday and this morning. I don't know if this is what it's for, but it's kind of like a little handle, so if you're gonna step up, it helps you out, so that's pretty cool. I don't know if that's what it's for, but that's what I've been using it for. So, yep, there it is. So, we got everything working just as it should. So, the tonneau cover, right? Bam. Solid. Super solid products from Truck2go. Not just Colorados. If you guys haven't been on their website, they have full-size trucks as well. So check them out for all your truck needs. I honestly, this was probably my 2nd or 3rd time on their website because I was choosing which rack to go with and their cover, right? They have a ton of camping, a ton of other truck accessories, not just tonneau covers and bed racks. They have a ton of other things. So thank you guys so much. Truck2go, can't thank you guys enough for sending out these products to me. Go ahead and use, I believe my code is OT-5. I'm gonna go ahead and link it down below. They're giving you guys a code just for supporting my channel and supporting Truck2go. So thank you guys once again. Follow me at DriveSafeFool. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Really appreciate it. You guys have an awesome day. Bye. Whoa, hold on. Before you exit this video, shortly after recording that video, or what you guys just seen earlier, I was washing the truck and actually fell off on my back and it messed me up pretty bad. But I just want to show you guys the versatility of that rack. I had my little brother take off the rack. We just took off the bolts. Like I mentioned earlier, it was 6 on each side, so 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. And then he just lifted it off and just put it over here on the side. Right there. With my OEM spare. But yeah, it's super easy, super versatile. But yeah, I just want to show you guys how easy that one-man installation was. And removal. So in the meantime, while taking care of my back, in the meantime, I'm not gonna do anything crazy, no crazy installs or anything like that. I do have a video coming with last fit. It's literally just another LED video, so I think it's gonna be a little bit more informational. Just because the previous videos that I did was the turn signals and then the interior. Next video I'm going to focus on all of the rear, so it should be the reverse light, the cargo light, brake light, and tail lights. Sorry, the license plate lights. So that's going to be the next video coming up. Nothing too crazy, but yeah, again, thank you guys so much. We appreciate you guys. Go ahead and follow that at DriveSafeFool for the giveaway that we're gonna have with Last Fit. If you guys are a 3rd gen, shout out to you as well. Thank you guys. Bye.